Hey folks, if you're here, you probably want to connect your OpenAI API with your NA10 instance. And it's really simple. And I'll keep it under 2 minutes. This is the most basic workflow anyone has. It has a chat trigger, an AI agent which is connected to an OpenAI model. Now let's click on this. I'll click on the credential to connect with, and as you can see, we have few credits from NA10 on OpenAI API. This is good for your starter projects, and we have the option to create a new credentials. So I'm going to show you how to create one. We just need an API key. So I'm going to go on Google and write OpenAI, and I'm going to open their website. On the top right, we have a login button. We have ChatGPT and API platform. We will click on API platform, and it has directly logged me into the platform, and I'll click on default project. I'll click on manage project. I'll go to the left side. I'll click on API keys, and I'll click on create new secret key at the top right. I'll just put some name NA10 test, and I'll click on create secret key. My key is ready. I'll just click on this button to copy it, come back to NA10 and paste it here and save it. It is testing the connection and it is green. So I think that's a successful. So that's how I connected my OpenAI with my NA10 instance. My name is Vaibhavkejriwal, and if you like this tutorial, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon for notifications. I'll be bringing you a lot of integrations and live workflow builds in the coming few days. Have a good day. Bye bye.